Another common pitfall involves people not being selective enough. Now, what will often happen is HR team may choose some arbitrary pass mark, particularly for ability tests, which the candidate needs to meet in order to make it to the next stage. The 50th percentile, the 20th percentile, 30th percentile, something like that. Now, obviously that will add value over and above not having a cut score and letting everyone through, and of course not benefiting from the assessments at all. But oftentimes people can be way more selective than that, and the value you get from assessments is directly proportional to how selective you are. For example, the return on investment you get on ability tests, comparing the 50th percentile as a cut score to the 90th percentile, get literally double. It's literally double the return on investment having the 90th percentile versus the 50th percentile as a cut score. And it's linear, so the higher, the better. And often with grads and interns and apprentices, emerging talent more generally, you can be very selective. You may have 1,000 applicants and need to get that down to 100. Okay, and you're going to do that with a 50th percentile cut score, and you shouldn't, and you don't need to, and you will get much better results if you are much more selective. Especially if you're using CV sifting as your primary method of getting numbers down. That doesn't add a lot of value, especially now that ChatGPT is writing everyone's CV. So best practice is to be as selective as you can, but no more than that. You don't want to throw the baby out with the bathwater. You don't want to pick a cut score where no one meets it, obviously, but you want to have a careful think and think about the maximum cut score you can get away with, which will allow you to bring through the requisite number of applicants to the next stage.